Hello, my name is Victor Khaula. Today I want to share with you on the very important topic. Never wait until you get everything. Many of you take too long before you execute the plans that you have. Always keep on waiting, thinking that one day things will be okay, you will have everything for you to do something. I want to tell you, there is no time when you have everything. You just have to take the challenge. Remember, there is no one way to success. Failure in the process is the signal for you to change a strategy. Never copy what worked for others. Many of you are good asking people, what did you do for you to get this? Most of you get frustrated when it doesn't work for you. Remember, we have got different personalities. Therefore, because we are different, we may not have the same success. You have your own success formula that you can develop. It is okay to learn good ideas from people, but don't copy whatever they did. Stay away from experts or researchers, because most of the time experts will always tell you this thing was tried before, it never works. I have seen many people stopping to do whatever they were doing because experts or research told them that that thing never works. Remember, researchers are always looking in the past, or history looks in the past, but we are going to the future. You are there. If you want to change the future, you have to change the way you do your things. Be like a bee. A bee does not go to the eagle and ask the eagle, I have small wings, can I fly? Because if the eagle sees the bee, it will tell the bee and say, you have got very tiny wings, you cannot fly. But the bee just keep on flying. It can fly thousands and thousands of miles because it believes in the potential that it has. It does not believe in what other people are saying. Many of us, for us to operate, we always want to hear other people telling us that you can do it. But I want to tell you, you may not have people who will tell you that you can do it. You know that in life, when somebody tells you that you can't do it, that's the best time to show them that you can do it. Humble them by doing something that they never thought that you can do it. Because many of us accept reality from other people, accept things from others. Do what your heart is telling you that you can achieve. We all have an ability to do something. Therefore, stay doing things that God has given you. For how long will you wait upon others to confirm whatever you are doing? You may not have. Remember that in this world, many people are jealous when you come up with new ideas. They will always stop you, not because they love you, but they are afraid that if you execute those plans and be successful, you will go ahead of them. Start with the end in mind. Never start a journey without knowing where you are going. It is good to be like a pilot. A pilot will not fly the plane before knowing where he is landing. He has to know that I'm going from here to such a place. Therefore, have an end in mind. Know whatever you want to achieve in life. Have the destination in your mind. Ask yourself, whatever I'm doing, where is it leading me to? If you are convinced that the direction that you have taken is the right direction, go for it and never allow somebody to stop you. Many of you watch competitions. You have seen competitions taking place. Most of the competition that you see, competition is not the reality. Reality is behind the scenes. Those people you see succeeding in life are the ones who each and every day they have been practicing, but when they come to showcase their talent, you think that is the competition. The competition started behind the scenes. What do you do behind the scenes? What are you doing in your private life? When you are in your room, when you are in your house, when you are alone, what are you doing? Those things that you do behind the scenes matters. And those things will reflect into the society. It is good for us to have enough time to prepare ourselves, to be focused. And when we execute our plans, we will become successful. You know, successful people are the ones who always repeat their exercise. If they are boxers, if they are footballers, if they are, maybe they play hockey or they play table tennis, each and every day they do all those things. That's why they are called professionals. Most of us, we keep ourselves too low. If you want to become a professional, develop a habit that each and every day you should do. You should think each and every minute. Think about your goal. And in life, you need also to know that you have to get rid of people that eat away your ego. Many of you have got a lot of friends who most of the times, they don't even encourage you, that they put you down. When you want to achieve your things, they will invite you to a party. They will invite you to go and watch soccer. They will invite you to go and visit friends. Have friends who will move you. I would rather have one friend or even have no friend if I see that the people that are surrounding me, they are eating my energy. You better have people that can charge you. If somebody hates you, he will discourage you. People who hate you will never encourage you to succeed, but they will push you down. Remember, your success starts with you. It starts with me. For me to succeed, I have to convince myself that I'm done with whatever I'm doing. I want to succeed. Success is a choice. What are you choosing? People who are successful in life are the people who don't wait until everything is there. People, start with what you have. What do you have? Some of you, maybe you have got a garden. Some of you, maybe you have got $100. Some of you, maybe you have got 1,000 kwacha. Whatever money you have, that is your capital. Start with what you have. Do not wait until you have millions. A lot of you are waiting to a time when you have a huge capital. My brother, you have been waiting for 3 years, 5 years for a big capital, but you are not getting anything. For how long will you wait? What you have, start from there. Walk baby steps. You have to start walking baby steps with what you have, and God will bless you. God blesses people who are doing something. If you want to succeed in life, I have this plea with you. Look around. Look around your house. Look around your community. Look around your area and see what you have. Start with what you have. Trust in the Lord. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Once you have that power from Christ who energizes you, who encourages you, I'm telling you, you can turn things around. Trust in God, because God has given you the resource. The biggest resource you have is your life. You have life, you have resources around you. Start with the little things, and God will build you from strength to strength. My prayer is to see you succeeding in life. God did not create you to be suffering like that. You are the reason for that problem, and you will be the reason for the change. Therefore, refuse being poor. Refuse being somebody who is looked down upon. Accept the challenge of doing each and every day something improving your life. Never copy what others are doing. There's something that I've seen in life, that people copy what others are doing. You can create your own things. If you see somebody having a small business, don't just copy. You can develop your own business. This is the reason why many people are not successful, because if somebody starts a business, you find 20 people are doing the same business. Why not start another one? Why not create another one? God has given us creative minds. We just need to look around and see, this one is doing this. How can I complement that business? Because that person may not be doing the same thing. Or you can do the same thing, but have what we call an added value. Change the product. Because if you are selling the same product, or if you are doing the same thing, you are just competing in the very same community. Use your creativity to outsmart the people that are surrounding you. You know, in life, success is a path. Once you realize your path, you'll be able to succeed. May God bless you. May God help you to succeed. I hope one day you will thank God that because I heard that encouragement, today I am where I am. I am blessed. I am at this position because of God. One day you will be happy that God blessed you. May God help you to be blessed. You were with me, Victor Khaula. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. May God bless you. Till next time.